Alright, so today we're going to do a oil change on the MT10 for anybody who hasn't done it. Obviously, first off, you'll need your oil, which Yama Lube for me. Use, I guess, whatever oil you want to use. I use Yama Lube. You'll need a 6mm hex. It's Robert. Obviously your oil filter. You don't really need this, but it's good to have anyway. What are you looking at? An oil pan, oil drain pan. And you'll need one of these to do it for you.
No.
You can get those at your local street taco stand. After you've done about a bunch of track days on it, she's gonna be a little dark. This has got quite a bit of track days on it, so gonna be a little darker, a little smellier than normal. You let that drain for a little bit. All right, you're gonna need a little bit over 4 quarts. Hair bit over 4 quarts is about how much you'll need. Don't know where. Go grab some paper towels. I will be the first to say I have reused a crush washer more times than I can count. I think I've only ever replaced maybe 2 ever. It's not the right way, they're cheap, it's just I never really have them with me, so I never replace them. But they're like, I don't know, 50 cents or whatever. You should replace them because it's the correct way to do it. I've never had a leak. I say that, but on my new R1 it does have a leak, but I also believe that it's because the oil drain bolt is aftermarket, so that plays a part in it. I don't know if it has one at all. I don't recall actually, but I'm gonna put a new one on here. Go get one. So, this is your new one. I gotta get the other one. It's stuck to the old pan, but this is how it look. It's soft. I don't know if that's gonna want to focus. Whatever. It's soft crush washer. So let's go get the other one off the old pan. It's stuck a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a good angle, but oh, it's not stuck bad. Barely on there. So it fell right in the pan, so that's fine. That is fine. All right, so we'll let that drain for a little bit, and you'll get to your oil filter here, if I can point to it. Mine is safety wired. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Mine is safety wired here. Most of yours won't be. I safety wire mine for the track just to be extra safe. Even on my street bikes I like to safety wire these just to be extra safe. You don't have to. That's just what I do. So yeah, that can kind of stay attached to it the way I have it. You would like to use some cardboard or something inside this pan, whatever. With the FZ and the R1s, it falls right on the header. Not the biggest deal. You can get it off a brake cleaner later. Not the end of the world. But I like to put cardboard or something, just to kind of prevent that if possible. Let's see if this works. Just the first thing I ran across. Just something to keep the oil off the headers. Less crap to clean up later.
You got work to do.
I'm doing it.
No. You got real work to do.
Oh.
It always takes longer your first time.
Well, you won't be doing it again, I don't think. So. I hope anyway.
It looks pretty easy.
To take the bumper off?
Yeah, take the bumpers off easy. The whole thing is easy.
Get that motherfucking bumper off, playboy.
I was gonna go to my pantry.
Why?
Huh?
Why? How long does it say it takes?
You want me to pull up the video? You might interrupt me on YouTube. Interrupt me on YouTube.
Be alright, I'll let you slide this one time.
You just tell me when to shut up.
How long's the video? With how many cuts in it?
I'll show you.
Oh, this ain't gonna work. Fuck me.
It says instant rebate, but I don't know how to get the rebate.
Oil filter removal. Wrench? Clamp? Thing? Whatever. So, this is the setup. You can throw your Yamaha, OEM Yamaha filter. These will come with grease already on them, on the O-ring. You obviously can't fill this oil filter up all the way, but you can make sure it doesn't completely have to be dry. Test it on there. Get this out of the way. I got a little bit on the header, but not as bad as it would have been. Tighten it by hand. Tighten by hand. Slide your little safety wire thing back on there.
Oh, it is only two. There's only two that are perishable.
What's it, what rated for?
27 pounds, 32 or something like that.
Slide that up.
Fuel is 1,000 pounds. The engine's probably 200. Trailer's probably 400.
So here's gonna be your
Gas, it's probably 1,900.
new one with
down.
the new crush washer.
Loaded with gas and everything. So I'm in the clear. And according to ChatGPT, I'm under the ton weight at 350. So I can pick.
I don't think I trust ChatGPT.
Dude, ChatGPT is genius. I use that all the time.
When you're doing your dispos?
No, not on the dispos. I used it for research for Frank.
Snug that up. We're back after Robert distracted me. So, filling it up. This is a 3D printed funnel, which will work for the MT and the R1. I think the R6. If you're local to me, I'll give you one. I have like a couple somewhere over there printed up. But if you're local, I'll give you one. Not a big deal. I can print some more over there on the printer. So this thing will take a little over 4 quarts, maybe 4 1/4-ish, give or take. You're gonna wanna get it in the sight glass halfway, start it up for a couple seconds, and then let it settle back down, and then check it again.